Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review for Ashimary hair. They sent over a robe and a bag and also lashes. They sent over a lot of stuff, a wig band, a brush, all kind of stuff. But this is the wig and this is what it looks like. I'm just unpackaging it. So we're going to put it on straight out of the package. As you guys can see, this is the Kinky straight texture. It's 22 inches. The notches are bleached. It's pre-cut lace, glueless, and it has the 360 newborn baby hair, so it can make it look more natural around your edges. This wig has lace all around, and then it has 2 clips in the front, and it has a clip on the back, and then you get an adjustable band as well. And you have a string that's on both sides, which you can pull. When you pull it, it makes it so that you can wear updo styles, and your lace won't be showing or anything like that, and it'll fit your head nicely. So I'm gonna start by just tinting my lace with my foundation color, and then we're just gonna put the wig on. I have on a wig cap, so I'm just gonna put it on. As you guys can see, the lace around the hairline already looks nice, and the edges help so that it can look more natural, you know, so you won't have like super straight edges, because that's not really realistic. Now I'm just laying the lace down, so I'm going to spray that with my lace spray, and then I'm just pushing it in with my hands, and I'm also using my blow dryer on the cool setting and pressing with my comb to make sure that it is nice and secure and everything is laid. I was just combing out the edges and getting any of the extra spray off of them, but right now I'm just going to pin the hair up, and we are going to tighten up the lace. Tighten up the wig. So this is a 360 wig, which means that the lace goes all around, and it has these little like pulleys on the sides of the hair, and this helps it so that it pulls and you don't see the lace. So when I turn around, you won't see the lace or anything like that. So that helps it so that you can wear your hair up in a bun or something like that, and your lace won't be shown. So you can do like ponytail styles and updo styles with that. And then I just went ahead and tucked it underneath the cap. So now I am going to use my hot comb. So I put a little bit of my wax stick in the middle, and then we're gonna hot comb that middle part, because I'm going to do a middle part. Now I'm going to do the baby hair, so I'm just getting some of my edge control, and I'm just swooping all of the baby hairs in different directions, you know, making it look cute. Then I put the wig band over, and I love their wig bands because they have the little cushion over the ear, so I can put it as tight as I want to and really make my lace melt and my baby hairs keep them in place. And then I'm going to frame my face, so I'm just cutting the front section of my hair kind of in very light loose layers so I can frame my face. Now I'm gonna go over everything with my flat iron. I'm starting from the bottom, working my way up to the top, and I'm gonna flat iron my hair all over. This gives it more of a smoother look. You can definitely wear it bigger if you like, but I want it to be a little smoother, so I'm gonna go over the whole head with the flat iron. Okay, y'all, this is what the hair looks like once it's all flat iron. As you guys can see, it still has texture and it's still very full. It's just a little more smooth, and it looks really, really nice. I love it. This is what it looks like from the back. So much movement. Body is so thick and it looks so natural, as if I pressed out my own hair. And we're going to do some styles. Like I said, this is a 360 wig, so I want to show you guys a couple other styles that you can do. This wig is laid, so I can, you know, maneuver it and move it around how I want to. First thing I'm going to do is a half up, half down style to show you guys what that looks like. I'm just showing you guys that you can do like a side part, a flip over method as well. Now we're gonna put it into a ponytail, and I'm just pulling like pieces down. I'm gonna show you guys just like a regular ponytail, and then we're gonna put it into a bun. Super cute, super flirty. Now I'm just gonna wrap that around and put it into a bun. Since the hair is like really new and fresh, it's kind of wobbling around, but if I were to really wear it in a bun, I would make it a lot more secure. But yeah, you can definitely wear this hair up and it looks really cute. So if you like this wig from Ashimary Hair, I will leave the links and everything down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.